Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 50 YouTube PSD thumbnail templates for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my old file. Go to SheriSKPWD.com. Here 3 membership plan, one for 30 days and here 90 days and last lifetime plan. Okay, when you have a subscription then you can download all file from my website. Here just preview of these thumbnail. I want to show you. You can customize in Photoshop. You can change everything in Photoshop. I know you know how to customize or how to edit these files for preview, and here PSD total 50 file you can replace in Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah.